Today, we're going to highlight how Spark can help students navigate assignment instructions and brainstorm ways to get started on various assignments. Today, I'm inside of this Psych 300 course, and I'm looking at the Part 2 research proposal, a literature review and research question. Now, I'm assuming that as a student, I've never done a literature review before, and I've got some basic instructions here, but they're just not super clear. And I really don't know how to get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to begin looking at Spark and ask it for some help with conducting a literature review because I don't know how. Let's jump in and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to say hello to Spark. Hello, I need help. Now, Spark's great. Spark's friendly, kind. It's going to come up here with some initial content and he's going to ask me some questions about what specific topic or concept I want to learn about. And I'm just going to say I need help with my literature review, my research proposal, part 2 literature review. Now, Spark is built with a Socratic method, meaning that it's going to constantly be asking questions and trying to get to know what I already know about the subject or the topic. It's talking here about the literature review is a crucial research proposal, a crucial part of any research proposal. It's a comprehensive overview of what's been studied on our topic already. That's good information. What do I already know about conducting a literature review? Now, I'm just going to say here that I don't know much at all, and I don't know where to begin. I know what I want to research, but I don't know where to begin. Let's see if Spark can help us get started. We all start somewhere. A literature review is essentially a survey of scholarly sources that provides an overview of a particular topic. Think of it like being a detective. You're trying to piece together what the academic community knows about your topic. If it's about the impact of social media on mental health, you would look for articles, books, and other scholarly resources. So it's giving me kind of a basis on how to go. And then I'll say, okay, so I know my topic. I'm going to write on vaccines, challenges, and benefits. But how would I suggest going about starting my library research? Let's see if Spark can help me think about how to approach this research process. All right, here he's breaking down a step-by-step guide, identifying keywords, and giving me several great suggestions for my topic. Search databases, refining my search, reading relevant articles, organizing my findings. So many great little tips and things here that he's giving me. So by using Spark, students can get help on each of the individual steps, more in-depth knowledge of how to accomplish specific things, how to move forward. A lot of this content is coming right from the instructions that we've put into and trained Spark on, but it's able to keep me going and it's constantly asking me questions to gauge my knowledge and understanding. Let's start with one of the things I have to do is to find areas of further research. And I pulled this from the instructions myself. So I would say, yes, I think so, but how should I identify areas of further research? Because that's one of the major points I have to find in my literature review. Spark begins to give me all these incredible options, like look for gaps, consider the limitations of the study. What did they not do? What are the implications of the research that you found? And so with the power of AI, our students are able to go further, farther, and faster as they have their course assistants consistently able to give them tips and ideas and strategies for moving forward to completing their assignments and getting much done fast.